graduate of NIFFT Ranchi from the branch in Metallurgy and Materials Engineering. And sir, recently my GATE results out. I have got AI 28. So, sir, my from starting my aim is like I have to go for the higher studies in the field of metallurgy. I have to stay in the field of metallurgy. But sir, being from the middle class family, like when I get into the college, every family dreams like get into the job is the last thing. So when I was in the first year, I also thought that getting a good placement is only the last thing that I should do. But when I explore the world and like using LinkedIn and watching your videos, I get to know more about the field of metallurgy, like what are the opportunities, like for the higher studies. So, sir, right now, sir, like I have to do job for at least 2 years because, and I have got the placement in Vedanta from my college. So, sir, I'm thinking like how to go for my plan, like going for the PhD from USA, US. Like this is my plan, sir. And for doing MTech, ISC Bangalore. So, but sir, like the things are bothering that how should I go for that?
Okay. So you're saying is your personal issues or
Yes, sir.
personal
Yes, sir.
financial problems are stopping you. Is that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's it.
So Rishabh, it's very hard to answer that question because I can't solve your personal problems, right?
Yes,
They
yes.
they are belong
Yes,
to you. And I can tell you one thing for sure. Looking at your GATE score, and if you are able to get into ISC, I can tell
yes,
you very, very certainly that you will land up in a very good PhD program in US, no doubt. So your path is very clear.
yes, sir.
You did a good job getting into a good GATE score, and every student at IC Bangalore is a cream
Yes, sir.
to go to become a PhD candidate. Every professor, that's their first choice.
Yes, sir.
So what I'm saying is your
Thanks.
path is very clear, so you won't have any
Yes.
problem.
Okay, sir. And sir, one
And
thing I want to ask, like in the BTech period, I don't have any experience of doing research internship
doesn't matter.
because I don't know about that. So how should I go for my MTech program for 2 years to have a good profile, like having paper or good research experience?
That's what a tech program is. They will train
Yes.
you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So you don't have to. You don't need to be a very excellent in research as far as they know that you are interested.
Yes, sir.
That's good enough.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So if you say I got a good score, I'm really interested in research because I love this field, all
Yes,
that's
sir.
what they want in a student.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And I think MTech is also you get some stipend, right? Some scholarship,
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
right? I don't know how big that scholarship is, how much money it is. One thing I'm thinking is that money enough? If you look at the salary that you get in Vedanta versus the scholarship you are getting at ISC, are they same or there's a big gap?
No, there's a big gap, sir.
Okay, so that's what I'm saying is like, can you manage with that scholarship or not? That's you have to decide that. But one thing I can also tell you is like, for example, if you come to US for a PhD program,
Yes, sir.
and I'm very sure that you will get a scholarship because everybody gets it.
Yes, sir.
You can save enough money that will
Yes, sir.
be 2 or 3 times more than what your salary right now at Vedanta,
Yes, sir.
just by saving it, right?
Okay, sir.
So what I'm saying is you just have to think about these 2 years,
Okay, sir.
because after that, even if you go for a PhD program, even if you save $400, $500, $600 or $700 from your scholarship, that money will be more than hopefully what your salary is,
Yes, sir.
and then you can help your family. So that's one way to look at it. So you
Yes,
only
sir.
have to think about these 2 years, because I'm pretty sure that with the scholarship you don't need money from your parents. You have to help them, right?
Yes, yes.
So you have to convince them in some way or other that if they can help you for these 2 years, you can take care of after that.
Okay, sir. And sir, I want to know that like working for the 2 years at Vedanta will help me like for upcoming years, like what I planned for.
I don't think so. I mean, if you're really interested in research, working at Vedanta won't do anything.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it's not like if you work at Vedanta and then are you gonna go for a PhD program? It doesn't work that way. But if you're gonna go for an MTech at ISC, you definitely will go for a PhD.
Sir. So yes, sir. Like I'm thinking I'm in dilemma, like what I have to do. So, but
I mean,
my inclination.
but what I'm saying, I can't answer that question, but I can.
Yes, sir.
The only question that I can answer you is that your path is very clear right now. I think you did a good job in getting a good score, and if you get into ISC, your what you want to do, which is like you want to do research in a good university in US, that is very clear.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And you won't have any financial problem too. You can pretty much help your family by saving money from your scholarship.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And that scholarship that money will be 2 times probably what your salary is in. So my point here is, if you can somehow convince your parents that these 2 years, if they can help you,
Yes, sir.
you're fine.
Sir,
But
yes,
that's your job. That you have to think how to do that.
sir, like what are the like fields that should I if I go for the MTech? Like I have applied for IC. So what field for I choose? Like there are many new fields like additive manufacturing and many
No,
other things
yeah, but
came up.
I think you choose the field which you enjoy the most. Like for example, the how to decide
Yes.
that, right? So I can give you my example. Like when I did my undergrad, how I decided which field I want to go. So one of the course I used to love a lot, which is rock mechanics. I used to love it. So mechanics came to my mind as something I will enjoy. So I decided to pursue my master's and PhD in that area. Understand my point? So just go back to your school and say which topic you enjoyed the most.
Yes, sir.
I think that's the start. So if you enjoyed, let's say, physical metallurgy,
Yes,
maybe.
sir.
If you enjoyed, I don't know, phase transformation. If you enjoyed mechanics, if you enjoyed, you know, some other topic in whatever field you are looking at.
Yes, sir.
Topic is more important. Additive versus cold rolling versus this and that is a separate issue, because you can apply those knowledge to any field, right?
Yes, sir. Like,
Additive and everything is an application. A topic is more important.
okay. So, sir, should I start like GRE, my GRE, because for PhD I have to give GRE and TOEFL.
Yeah, but
So
that's you have to worry later. First,
okay,
you have to decide whether you want. How would you convince your parents to go to MTech program?
yes, sir.
And then once you go to ISC, you will find not only you, every student is preparing for GRE.
Okay, sir.
It's not like you are only going to go to US. Everybody goes there to US or Germany or somewhere. So you will know, right? ISC is a very different. If you're not been to ISC, it's a very different place. It's a very magical place. So for a student who want to work hard, that is the place to go, because it's like you are in that space where everybody is doing, so you will know everything.
Yes, sir.
Unlike
Yes,
where you are coming from, where nobody knows what to do.
yes, sir. I have researched some of the professors there from the materials department, and like from our college, our seniors are doing PhD, and they have also gone to US for the postdoc, like at Oak Ridge. So these things are also motivating me for going for my MTech.
Right. Who is the person who went to Oak Ridge?
So Satyam Suvas sir is there. Our seniors are doing PhD under him, and one Vikram Jairam sir, I think so.
I know both of them.
Yes, sir. So that's thing also motive. One of our seniors also have done PhD from IC, and he is in Rolls Royce as an advanced material engineer.
Yeah.
So my inclination, like I have to be in the field of metallurgy from. So that's
So
why,
what
sir,
I'm saying is like if you work at IC Bangalore, you can find much better jobs also,
yes,
even after MTech.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So if I was you, I will try to convince my parent as much as possible that I have to go there, because working in Vedanta, you will be working as a floor job. So I don't
Yes, a
think
shop
I don't
floor
know what
job.
you will be
Yes,
doing, and that's not a good job, to be honest with you.
yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
so keep that in your mind. You have to go to IC. There is no if and but.
Okay, sir.
And I don't know. Have you ever already applied, or you have to? How is the process is
Sir, I
application?
have applied. Like it is on 100% gate score, and like previous year, I have seen the gate score like being with under 70 rank, everyone get the IC. So I have the chance, like I can get into it.
Yeah, I mean, I either go to IC or go to IIT Bombay or IIT Delhi. These three
Yes.
places will be good.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I have applied for IC and IT Bombay, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So
Because
these two places you will get it, and that's what I'm saying is like just go there.
okay, sir.
Yeah, you will enjoy a lot, and 2 years you will learn a lot.
Yes.
Yeah, and Vedanta job is, yeah, you got it, that's good, but you have much better now.
Okay, sir.
In a long term, you will do much better if you go choose other thing.
Yes.
Yeah. So don't listen to your parents. That's all I can say.
Okay, sir.
Unless
Yes,
until somebody is in
parents are also not forcing me, sir. Like they said, what you want to do. But seeing the scenario of the family, that's why I'm little bit in dilemma. They're
No,
also saying, what do
but you don't have to look at short term, because in long term that's the only way you can help them too.
yes, sir.
Because in short term, okay, you will get some money, you will send it, they will be happy, but long term you will not be able to do anything. This
Yes, sir.
way, for long term, you can help them really big way. And trust me, once you go to IC, your brain will transform a lot. You need that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so don't join the job.